What's up, Dogecoin holders? This is very good day for Dogecoin holders. This is live price prediction. You just click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Select all option for notification. I updating you any last hour. You can see here. This is just last 1 hour result, and you can see here the change of plus 0.43%. Absolutely going good change, and if you can see the highest change 0.05391 US dollar. Absolutely going good. This is good. So this is good. So let's see that last 2 hour result. The last 2 hour result is not good. You can see here the last 2 hour result is going down. All cryptocurrencies are going down. This is absolutely going down. So let's see the minus 0.9% as a very bad change. You can see here. So let's see the last 4 hour result. If we can check it out, the last 4 hour result is also very bad. So I think this is not good days. This is just a bad day. You can see here just time for buying. Okay, just buy it. This is very good time for buying and not for selling, because I am also Dogecoin holder. This is therefore I'm suggest you to please, this is just buying time, not a selling time. Okay, so let's see, check it out again. Oh my goodness, the last 4 hour result is good. So you can see here plus 0.62% change. This is absolutely going good. I think Dogecoin is going off, so this is very good. This is very good, and I hope they easily cross it $1 today. But what we can say, this is not good. So let's see for next time. You just click on the subscribe button for videos notification. I update you anyhow. Okay, so let's see for next time. Allah Hafiz, take care, bye bye.